Hi guys, so in today's video I want to show you how to buy base meme coins using Uniswap. Now all you need to do is start off on CoinGecko and look for the top base meme coin and look for whichever meme coin you want to buy. The one we're going to use is based Pepe, so click on your based Pepe and from here you will scroll down till you see contract info. We want to hit the little copy icon here and now we can jump back over to Uniswap. So on the Uniswap dashboard, make sure you are on swap and then you want to select your token. Now make sure you set here by search to all networks and then paste your contract info. And then you'll see your coin and we want to just go continue. And now you want to set the amount of Ethereum or whatever crypto you are using. Okay, so you'll see I have insufficient Ethereum to complete the transaction, but for you, it'll say buy and you'll click there and it'll prompt for your wallet to open up on the side here and you can just confirm the transaction. And that's it. That is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe and I will see you in the next video.